What's up guys, Faisal here. So the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series has long been the best place to get AMOLED screen technology on a tablet. Last year, Samsung shipped things up launching the Tab S7 Plus, the largest tablet we'd ever seen from the electronics giant, feature a single deep AMOLED display, and just a year on, Samsung's one-upping itself with the Tab S8 Ultra. The new 14.6-inch tablet combines a giant Super AMOLED screen with 4nm Qualcomm internals and incredibly thin chassis, and a new and improved S Pen. The tablet also features some neat integration with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra as well as a dual front camera, so you can capture wide and ultra wide angle photos from it, costing $1,099. Samsung is without a doubt going after the iPad market share, but with nothing in Apple portfolio packing quite as much size as the Tab S8 Plus, making it an entirely unique proposition. The first thing that struck us about the Tab S8 Ultra was not its screen size, but how thin it is. We thought the iPad Pro 2021 12.9 was thin at 6.4 mm, but the Tab S8 Ultra takes the take at 5.5 mm. Its armored aluminum casing helped it feel hardly enough despite the slimmest, and Samsung promises it's more resistant to bending than past tabs. This slimmest is only highlighted by that massive screen size, 14.6 mm, larger than many laptop screens and weather drying on with the S Pen. When it comes to screen quality on paper, the Tab S8 Ultra is a close match to the iPad Pro with one key difference: Super AMOLED screen technology. iPads have had LCD screens since they first launched, and while they are incredibly high quality, the Tab S8 Ultra AMOLED display will deliver deeper blacks and likely zinger colors. The Tab S8 Ultra also has a much wider angle screen than the iPad Pro, which clocks in with a 4:3 aspect ratio. Meanwhile, Samsung makes its Tab S8 series 1610 slightly more widescreen than Full HD. This means it will likely be a dream to watch content showcasing much smaller black bars than the iPad lines. As with the rest of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series, the Tab S8 Ultra features two rear cameras, a wide and ultra-wide system. The wide camera supports a 13 megapixel resolution sensor measuring 1/3.4 inches. That's matched with an f2 lens and a 26 mm focal length. That's complemented by a 6 megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f/2.2 aperture. As for the selfie cameras, these are actually superior on paper when compared to the rear cameras. Will feature 12 megapixel resolution and support 4K video capture. Samsung also include auto framing, so you can place your Tab S8 down and move about as chooses optimal frame for you. So for like some of the best live streaming cameras around. Unlike the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Tab S8 line all feature one processor wherever you buy them, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 with a starting capacity of 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. That spec is up to 16GB RAM, 512GB of storage in the highest capacity model. You can also pick the Tab S8 series up in Wi-Fi and 5G version running Android 12 with Samsung tablet optimized version of One UI 4.1. Over the top, the Tab S8 Ultra promises smart integration with the S22 Ultra. For example, you can use the phone as a color picker when working in a clip studio. We are also looking forward to trying out LumiFusion, a video editing app that's been exclusive to iOS and iPad OS thus far, but is now being launched for Samsung tablet line loaded up with an AMOLED 1120 mAh battery. The Tab S8 Ultra has reverse wall charging. The Tab S8 Ultra is a totally over the top but very exciting tablet, running with the idea that bigger is better. It maxes out spec support as S Pen input and features a dual front camera for high quality ultra wide video calls and selfies, with support for apps like Lightroom, and that gorgeous 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display. On paper, it should be a fantastic photography tool on first impression. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.